Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Desk. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD technical outlook. In previous trading session, index opened with an upward gap and it has witnessed consolidation for most part of the trading session. However, last hour buying momentum pulled index higher to close near day's high. It has closed around 8908 with gain of 29 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a bullish candle carrying long lower shadow indicating buying support at lower levels. Index continued to form higher top higher bottom formation on the daily as well as on weekly chart indicating sustained uptrend. From current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 8920 levels, then it may witness further buying momentum towards 8950 to 8970 levels. From current levels, immediate intraday support zone is around 8870 levels and any violation of this support zone will cause some profit booking towards 8850 to 8830 levels. Currently, Nifty is well placed above its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bullish sentiment in short term as well as in medium term. Hence, any correction towards support zone will remain as a buying opportunity for short term traders. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in positive territory and they are sustaining above the reference line, indicating buying may arise on short term correction. Some positive bias stock for the day are JSW Energy, Marico, M&M Finance, BEL, HDFC Limited, Adani Port, HUL and ICICI Bank. Whereas some negative bias stock for the day are Infratel and ITC. Moving to the USD technical outlook, in previous trading session, USD opened on a flat note and it has witnessed selling pressure for most part of the trading session, which led USD to close near day's low. It has closed around 66.95, losing 0.20%. On the daily chart, USD has formed a sizable bearish candle forming lower high-low formation compared to previous session, indicating negative bias. It was the 7th consecutive session that USD has extended its consolidation within 67.20 to 66.85 levels, indicating short-term sideways trend. Any decisive close below 66.85 level will indicate downward breakdown and USD may witness further weakness. Currently, USD is sustaining below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bearish sentiment ahead. For the day, we expect USD to trade with negative bias and below 66.90 levels, it may witness further selling pressure towards 66.70 to 66.60 levels. On the upside, immediate intraday resistance zone is around 67 and 67.05 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI has witnessed negative crossover indicating weakness ahead. Thank you.